So now let's see how we can work around with the Newsprint filter inside of GIMP. So over here you can see that I have an image, and in order to apply the Newsprint filter to it, you need to go around onto the filter menu, and then you need to go around over here on to distort. And over here you can see that newsprint is an option, and as soon as I apply it, you can see that you get a newsprint like effect right here, just like this. So over here you can see that you can go around and choose the color model, like you can go for a white on black, or you can go for a black on white. You can go for RGB mode over here as well, where you see like a color spill over here going on, and you can also go for CMYK right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around over here and change around the pattern right here of magenta right here, just like this. Like you can go around, make it circles and so forth. Let me just go to RGB right here, just like this. And you can see that you can go around for the blue pattern right here, just like this, like circle and so forth, and right there. Let me just go to black on white right here. You can also go around over here and change around the pattern to circles right here, or diamonds, as you can see right here, or you can go for squares right here, or crossing lines as well. The same goes for all of these other lines as well. So you can go for diamond over here for different type of colors right here, just like this, and you get that particular effect. You can go around and lock the pattern and lock the periods right here, lock the angles, and what happens is that you can go around and see what you have. So once you lock it around, then what happens is that it does not spill out, as you can see. So it does not actually spill out, but as soon as you go around and then disable this right here, then it does spill out, as you can see right here, and the colors actually spill out. You can go around and then change around the quality right here for anti-aliasing, and then change around the turbulence right here, just like this, to make it more random, as you can see, and change around the block size over here, just like this as well, to make it more larger or smaller. Then you got the angle boost right here, which allows you to go around and change around the angle as well. You can work around with the blending mode right here to blend it with the original picture, or work around with the opacity as well. And then you can enable and disable the previews to see the before and after, or you can use the split view right here to go around and then click and drag it around and see the before and after from over there as well. And once you want to apply it, you can simply press OK, and the pattern will be applied. And that is how you can utilize the Newsprint filter inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.